Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to activate Origin Bank debit card online. So the process is quite easy. So let's get to the video right away. First of all, open a web browser on your computer or your mobile device. Go to the search box at the top and type in origin.bank and search. Doing this will take you to the official website for Origin Bank. You can go ahead and activate your bank debit card by clicking on this Contact Us button at the top of the screen and calling on the toll-free number available in the display. You may also visit the nearby ATM machine for Origin Bank and insert your debit card in order to activate. To activate it online, go ahead and click on the Login button at the top right-hand corner from the main homepage of Origin Bank. Click on Personal/Business Banking option. Now, you will need to enter a username for your online banking account. Simply type down the correct username and click on Login. On the next page, go ahead and click on Continue with Security Code and enter the security code that you receive. You will receive a security code with your phone number or via a text message. Once you are done, click on Continue in order to verify yourself and log into your Origin Bank online banking account. Once you are signed in, navigate to the section where you manage your accounts or debit card and look for Activate Debit Card option and click on it. Follow through the on-screen prompts and enter your card details such as the card number, expiration date, and the security code. After you do that, you will then be able to activate your Origin Bank debit card online with just a few simple steps. So that's it for today's video. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.